If you're here, chances are you're planning a Mehendi look, or maybe you're just obsessed with bridal glam. Either way, you're in the right place. As a bridal hair and makeup artist, one of the most common things my clients ask me is, can you show me some pictures? So today, I'm giving you 15 stunning Mehndi bridal hair and makeup looks to help you decide. Let's do this. 1. Classic Mehndi glow. Ah, the timeless glow. A radiant, dewy base with soft gold eyeshadow, a pop of coral blush and glossy lips. Think fresh and flawless. Pair it with a loose, wavy half-up style, sprinkled with delicate jasmine flowers. Perfection. 2. Bold and beautiful. If you love making a statement, go for deep berry lips, a sharp winged liner, and a flawless matte base. For hair, a sleek, twisted low bun decorated with fresh roses, because why not add a touch of drama? 3. Soft glam with a twist. Soft peachy tones, fluttery lashes, and a rose gold highlighter. This one's for the subtle yet glamorous bride. Hair, a voluminous braided ponytail with little pearls woven through. Cute, right? 4. The regal look. For that true queen energy, bold kohl-rimmed eyes, a rich red lip, and a luminous base. Pair it with a delicate gaidra. That's a flower garland in case you didn't know. Trust me, it's giving royalty. 5. Fresh and flirty. Light pink glossy lips, flushed cheeks, and barely there eye makeup. Perfect for the bride who wants to keep it simple but still look stunning. Hair in a messy yet chic fishtail braid with tiny golden hairpins. 6. The sun-kissed goddess. Bronzed, glowing skin with golden shimmer on the eyelids and a nude, glossy lip. Soft, beachy waves complete the look, with a delicate mang tikka as the cherry on top. 7. The statement lip. A pop of hot pink lipstick, because why not? Soft pink blush and fluttery lashes. Pair it with a chic, low-twisted chignon. Elegance with a bit of fun. 8. Earthy elegance. Terracotta lips, bronze eyeshadow, and soft brown liner create a warm, earthy look. A textured updo with wispy tendrils framing the face adds just the right touch of romance. 9. Romantic rosy hues, rosy pink eyeshadow, soft blush, and a matching pink lip, delicate and dreamy. Hair styled in a boho-inspired twisted crown braid makes this look feel effortlessly elegant. 10. Dramatic smoky eye. If you're a fan of a classic smoky eye, this one's for you. A black smoky eye, nude lips, and sculpted cheekbones. A sleek high ponytail completes the dramatic vibe. Hello, fierce bride. 11. The baby blue. Golden highlighter, shimmery blue lids, and a glossy caramel lip. Hair in a voluminous curly bun, because we love a bit of old school glamour. 12. The bright yellow light. A warm, neutral eye, dusky blush, and glossy nude lips. Hair styled in a fun bubble braid, paired with a vibrant yellow outfit. This look screams sunshine and happiness. 13. Green traditional charm. A classic red lip, thick kohl liner, and a matte base. Nothing says traditional bride quite like this. A voluminous braid decorated with a gold accessory, and flowers finishes the look beautifully. 14. Effortlessly. Purple elegance. Soft nude lips, warm brown eyeshadow, and dewy skin for that I woke up looking like this glow. A wavy side-swept hairstyle with fresh baby's breath flowers makes it effortlessly chic. 15. The white modern muse. Glassy luminous skin, soft lavender eyeshadow, and a coral lip. Hair in a modern slicked back bun. 15. Absolutely gorgeous Mehndi bridal hair and makeup looks. Whether you're going full-on traditional or adding a modern twist, there's something for everyone. The key is to have fun, embrace the colours, and most importantly, make sure your makeup lasts through all the dancing, because let's be real, you will be sweating by the end of the night. Which of these looks is your favourite? Let me know in the comments. And if you want more bridal beauty tips, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.